So here's my handheld test of the Tamron 17-50 f2.8 VC version. On the VILTROX EF-M2, the version is 3.4V and the Pocket 4K. And now the VC is on, which is vibration control, I think that's what they call it with the Tamron. And I'm going to switch it back off now. So as you can tell, it does help a bit. It's not working tremendously, I think, compared to how it would work on a Canon, for example, but it really does help. Anyway, that's it for me, guys. Hopefully you found this video useful, and if you did, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the like button if you did enjoy this video, and I'll try to update you guys on this lens. I like it, but as you can see, there's a lot of chromatic aberration and it's a bit distracting, so I'm going to be looking for another lens.